Yo, what's going on, guys? As you guys can see, I have the new steering wheel in the car. I'm super excited. I love this thing. I just installed it yesterday. You guys can go ahead and check out that video. But like, the steering wheel feels so much better, feels so much lighter. It's just a million times better than the Non-M Sport one. But I just have this light, so if you guys know how to fix it, just let me know. I did unplug the battery when changing the steering wheel, so I'm not sure why that came on. I might just have to like, I know like some steering wheels are stage 2, some are stage 3. That might be the problem, or maybe my car just has to adapt to the new wheel first and that will go away. I'm not sure, but if you guys know anything about it, just let me know in the comments. But you know, damn, the sun is freaking crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little POV, and I'm also gonna install a black 335i badge on my car. So once I get home, I'll do that, and I'll just throw it in this video for you guys as well. But yeah, so I'll just put on, I don't even have my head mount thing on, so I'll just throw it on in a second, put the car in Sport Plus. You know, it's safe to drive like this to like, well, it's safe. I don't know if it's safe, because I think the airbag still works. I just think it's something I got to code for it to like not show that error. But it's safe to drive. It's not like doing anything to the car. It's just warning me that the airbag system might have a malfunction, but it should be good to drive, you know, like it doesn't shut off on me, like nothing like that. So I'm gonna put my head mount on, and I'll give you guys a nice little POV, you know, throw the car in Sport Plus, get some pops, you know, nothing too crazy in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the steering wheel. And I'm also gonna, all right guys, so I have the head mount running. About to put my back windows down, you know, crack the sunroof, because I actually can and not freeze this time. Because so I don't know how this, I swear this weather is so random. Like in Canada, it can be 20 degrees today and tomorrow it's minus 20. I don't know how it works, but yeah, let me put the car in Sport Plus, you know, manual mode. I use the paddles, crack the sunroof. I love these paddles so much. I don't know how well you guys are hearing the pops. The phone actually picks up the pops pretty good though. I wonder if a camera would do better or not, because I feel like the camera might actually like not pick up the pops and more really pick up my voice. Put my window down a little bit more. I rolled it all the way down, to be honest. Damn, that one sounds weird. Probably ice on it. Paddles. Love these paddles. That's a nice house. And I'm never getting out. but I love the steering wheel so much. I'm not even talking, I'm like full focus in this video. I love the steering wheel. I'm spinning. Just wait for all these cars to go by. I can do one last little pull. Jeez. Okay, so that's the last pull for now.